everybody. Welcome back to 5 Easy Questions, where we break down the stock market for new investors. Today, I'm so excited. We are focusing on Veggie Holdings. The company just started trading publicly on the Canadian Securities Exchange under the symbol VEJI and is the world's largest plant-based marketplace. I am speaking with co-founder and CEO Corey Zellickson to get a better understanding of the company. Thank you so much for joining me today.
Thanks for having me. I really appreciate the opportunity.
Before I start, I just want to check in. Anyone in BC knows that there's been lots of flooding and the company's based up in Kelowna. How are you guys doing with that?
Thankfully, we're okay here in Kelowna. There was some power outages, but we do have a base in the Lower Mainland, and part of what we're working on as an initiative for next week actually will be to start to help deliver free plant-based foods to some of the communities in need through our Lower Mainland warehouse. So we're sort of working with some of the brand partners to coordinate and try to get some groceries out to some of the families that have very limited access right now.
That's wonderful. Okay, I'm going to jump into my easy questions that are lighter. What prompted you to start Veggie?
So Veggie was really started in order to provide consumers with greater accessibility to plant-based and sustainable products. So I'm vegan and I've been plant-based for a number of years, and I have a family with 3 little kids who are all plant-based as well. And we always found that we'd have to go shop at multiple grocery stores to get everything we need. And generally speaking, most grocery stores are only going to carry a very select small amount of items from really like the top well-known brands that can really afford to have that shelf space. So with Veggie, we offer a lot larger selection of plant-based alternatives and sustainable living products through the platform, and it's designed in a consolidated shopping experience. So we are a marketplace model, which is different from a traditional e-commerce platform, and we actually support and have brands come and on board directly onto our website and list their products for sale. And then those brands have the ability to participate in our Veggie Express program as well, where we offer express delivery for the most popular products. So our goal is really to address customers by providing broad scale access to products and also help and support brands scaling through the online marketplace.
I guess this was a little bit answered just now, but what sets you apart from organic grocers like Choices Marketplace?
So their selection is one really important factor. And even when you're looking at all, grocery apps, for example, where you can order your groceries online, that order is still being shopped at your local grocery store. So you're only ever going to have access to that offering that's available in the grocery store. Whereas with Veggie, you can order online anywhere in the country and you're going to get the same access to the same offering or product. So that's one of the key differentiators.
Is Veggie just about plant-based foods, or are there other products available?
It's about plant-based and sustainable living products. So outside of plant-based foods, we do carry sustainable cosmetics, fashion accessories, personal care products, health supplements and vitamins, and we even carry vegan wines on the website too.
Wow, so it's really a one-stop shop.
It's really meant to be a platform for all plant-based and sustainable living products. So, we've since we started, we've launched in the US with over 3,000 SKUs from 500 brands, and we've already onboarded over 100 independent brands directly who have come directly to the site to list their products for sale. And we work with those brands and help provide resources to them, from digital marketing to social media and influencer advertising, and even right through to direct shipping, D2C, right to consumers, to their doorsteps.
Oh, I love this, especially with COVID and all these like kind of small, brilliant businesses not being able to have a platform. This is so cool.
It's a great opportunity for startups, really, that are companies that are coming to the site and looking to gain access to a national audience of like-minded consumers, because it's the same person that's going to go and want to buy plant-based food products might be the same person interested in sustainable cosmetics, for example. So, regardless of the person, it's the scale of the categories that appeal to the same community.
Yeah, it's such a lifestyle switch. And you're right. It's so like I think one of the main things with any of my friends or who wants to kind of follow more of a plant-based or sustainable lifestyle is that it is time consuming to go to all these different stores, like you were saying. So
Yeah, exactly.
this is great. I love this. Question 4, where can I go to buy veggie brands? Do you also sell to retailers?
We do some B2B to retailers. You can visit us at shopveggie.com. We have a Canadian site and a US site as well. And from that site, you can order all of the products directly to your door online.
And my 5th and final question, what are some of your most popular products?
What's really interesting is that we have the unique opportunity of really looking at data analytics and buying behavior and understanding sort of like new trends within the space, and particularly with plant-based food products. The biggest trend that we've seen over the last 6 months, I'd say, is the rise of plant-based seafood. So plant-based shrimp, scallops, fish products make up a really significant portion of our growth over the last period of time. There's a lot of really new, especially in the US, a lot of really innovative companies like Plant-Based Seafood Co., Good Catch, All Vegetarian Vegan. They're offering plant-based seafood alternatives that are really growing in popularity.
All righty. And now I just have a really quick rapid fire round. Are you ready?
Sure.
Okay. Tea or coffee?
Coffee.
What is the first thing you do in the morning?
Exercise.
What is your favorite sport to watch?
Tennis.
What's your favorite sport to play?
Tennis.
Favorite book?
The Universe.
Cat or dog? Good
Dog.
Value investor or day trader?
Value investor.
Suit and tie or casual?
Casual.
If you had $1,000 to invest, what company would it be, not your own?
I would invest into ESG companies and sustainable brands.
What was the last movie you watched?
Trying to think. We watch more TV shows. We're watching Game of Thrones right now.
That counts. Perfect.
Okay.
Well, that is all that you did great with that. You were so quick. Oh my gosh. That's all the time we have. Thank you so much for joining me today. And I can't wait to hear more about your company. Just last thing, where can people find you? Social media, website, what's best?
To shop, you can visit us at shopveggie.com. For more information on the company, you can check us out at veggieholdings.com. And also our ticker symbol on the Canadian Securities Exchange is VEJI.
VEJI. Perfect. Thank you so much. And I hope we get to talk to you again soon.
Thanks so much. I really appreciate it. Have a great day.